Now, in the other side, when we shift focus to Tamil Nadu, which has witnessed another blockbuster voting, 85% of the voter turnout against, that is also being touted to be the highest ever, signaling a big political wave. Now, the question lies, what lies beneath this wave? 5.67 crore voters, with women leading the charge. Add to that nearly 12.51 lakh first-time voters, young, impatient and aspirational. Add to that 74 lakh voters deleted after SIR, in which over 13% of the total vote base. And these figures may have had a crucial impact on the results when the 4th of May comes. Put together, these could be the factors that could play the deciders. Now, decider for Tamil Nadu, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, who is eyeing another consecutive term, has now turned this election into a battle for land, for language and for honor. So let's get you as far as when it comes to the people who have been voting in Tamil Nadu, how it will sway, pro-incumbency or anti-incumbency. Let's talk about and draw the comparisons back in 2021. Well, we are looking at 76.60. That seems to be the voter turnout. And it has now been recorded as far as all of the constituencies going to vote in one single phase itself. It has now been recorded to 85.15%. That itself is a stellar performance when it is coming in from the voter turnout of a state where both sides, and this time it's an interesting battle that what we are looking at, because it is no longer a two-party dominance or a two-alliance dominance. There is also a third-party entry, a wild card or an X factor. Well, will that be played by Vijay? Well, that remains to be seen. Let's in the meantime play out reactions that we have lined up.
How
confident are you about a DMK victory?
Very, very confident.
More than 200 seats, sir?
Yeah, hopefully.
तमिल नाडु में एडप्पाडी पलानीसामी जी हमारे 4 मई को नए मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे.
I'm confident that the Secular Progressive Alliance will win and the DMK will form a government.
Mood in different districts, yes, you can see the steady crowd. So it's good for democracy. Today is the equality. For me, it's the equality day.
Well, Dharni is connected with us. Dharni, good morning. Bumper voter turnout and all sides have been exuding confidence of a victory.
Well, definitely, if we look at the voter turnout, it looks like a healthy election. Many people, they've decided to come out of their houses and they've actively cast their votes in the election. And as far as Tamil Nadu this time is concerned, it is a very clear three-corner fight between the DMK alliance, the ADMK-led NDA alliance, and Vijay Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam. After SIR, Tamil Nadu lost about 1 crore votes. Now the electoral count stands at 5.7 crore at the moment. Out of this 5.7